ABC News spoke to experts about the influence of religion in the GOP primaries. In November, Republican presidential candidate Florida Governor Ron DeSantis clarified what seemed to be an important evangelical support on way to the plenaries in Iowa, only less than 3 weeks left at moment. Whether the approval of Vander Plaats makes a significant difference to DeSantis or not. This is linked to a fixed theme in the campaign pursuit. DeSantis, former President Donald Trump and other candidates have been trying to deceive Evanjelik voters throughout their campaign. Bob Vander Plaats, president and CEO of the Family Leader, speaks at the Never Back Down campaign event at the Thunderdome in Newton, Iowa on December 2, 2023. Vincent Alban: the use of religious rhetoric in the campaign process is not new. According information from some experts to ABC News, what is new about how Christianity was discussed during this election period is the policy for candidates attract the attention of Christian and evangelical voters, a critical voting bloc in Iowa, and how they talk about ideas of culture war. But experts and advocates warn that their language sometimes evokes Christian nationalism, which prefers Christianity to other religions and combines being Christian with being American. To make courtship for evangelical voters, voters heard Christian and evangelical messages in publications and during campaign events. I don't know how you can be a leader without having faith in God. Republican presidential candidate Ron DeSantis, Governor of Florida, the 24th of October 2023. Londonderry. NH Charles shakes hands with a guest during the campaign at a restaurant in KrupaAP. The governor also practically framed Christian goodwill as your president. I will work to restore full religious freedom in this country. The first step is to enable us to nominate and place constitutional judges in the courts. He is on appeal and at the U.S. Supreme Court, he said. At a rally in Waterloo, Iowa in December, Trump claimed that the U.S. government is targeting Christians and will put an end to it when I return to the White Palace. Your government will never again be used to target Christians and other religions. When I take office, I will create a new federal task force to be led by a fully reformed, just and equitable Department of Justice to combat anti-Christian prejudices. They're going after Christians in America. The former president has repeatedly cited himself as an advocate for Christians. In September, Concerned Women for America used harsh language at a summit held by the conservative Christian Action Group. Jonathan Ernst. Family: the voters pay attention. I've been a group that has been praying for God raise good religious statesmen instead of politicians. And we see the answers to those prayers, and I am glad most of these people. Candy Twedt, an Iowa voter, said in a statement. In June, Des Moines told ABC News at the 2023 Family Leadership Summit, Iowa. To hear